Hi everyone, I'm Indu Chaudhary. In this video, we are going to tell you how to switch from Kotak Securities Trading App to Kotak Neo app. First of all, visit kotaksecurities.com. Click on the menu bar and select Switch to Kotak Neo under the Product section. You will be redirected to Kotak Neo's landing page. Here, click on the Switch to Kotak Neo tab. Your next step will be to authenticate yourself. So select OTP based self-authentication. Enter your client code or registered mobile number to receive the OTP. Once done, kindly answer the security question asked in the chat box. You will then receive the OTP on your registered mobile number and email ID. Your next step will be to read and confirm your migration to Kotak Neo by clicking on Yes. That's it. You have successfully raised your migration request to Kotak Neo.
आपकी रिक्वेस्ट 24 आवर्स में अप्रूव हो जाएगी and you will get a welcome mail once the account moves. Now, download the Kotak Neo app and get started over there.
If you have any queries, if you want to know more about Kotak Neo, just drop your queries in the comment section. We will surely get back to you. Stay tuned.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.